Hi, I'm Sarmistha, and I'm going to introduce you to a workshop called Journey into Your Personal Mythology. If you are someone like me who keeps on asking questions and looking for answers, that who am I actually, and why am I this way, what is my purpose of the life, what is it that's triggering me to act in a certain way, or what about those questions, those intriguing questions that keep coming up every now and then. Personal mythology will take you to the origin of those stories that you told yourself about yourself, the stories and beliefs which are keeping you unconsciously disempowered and disabled from expressing your true abilities. Our unconscious programming is 95% of what determines our behavior and our beliefs. The unconscious programming comes from what is taught to us in the first 6 years of our lives. We are in the theta brainwave state between the age of 2 to 6, an alpha brainwave state between the age of 6 and 12. The theta state is a state of hypnosis, and everything that is being told to us gets deeply embedded in our own consciousness. So our childhood training, according to this theory, brainwashes us into rejecting a part of our authentic being, that part which is disapproved by our culture, by our society, by our parents. And in this experience of this journey into your personal mythology, you will identify, get in touch with those authentic parts of you which is lost in time, and bring them up into the light of your own consciousness, and then integrate them with yourself to become whole again. The purpose of this workshop is integration of those bits and pieces of us which remain in the darkness, in the shadow of our unconsciousness, unless and until we take a deep journey within to find them back. I hope to see you all in this workshop, which I'm so excited to share with you all, because I have found parts of myself through this workshop. And when I did this on myself, I immediately realized how powerful this is, how powerful this program can be for any individual who is looking to integrate themselves to become whole. See you all into this workshop, which I'm excited and waiting to share with everyone. Thank you so much.